Okay, so you already created your folder for Summer of the Mariposas, and now it's time to make sure that you're organized with your documents and that you know how to put them in that folder. So, for example, you have a vocabulary log and you will also have a gist log. When you first open your document, it will have a name on it. You want to make sure to rename it your name with the rest of the title. It's renamed and ready to go. Well, now you want to make sure that this document goes from a random place in your drive to the folder that you created for Unit 1, Summer of the Mariposas. So you will click File, go all the way down to where it says Move. Click on Move. Then you will find the folder that you already labeled Summer of the Mariposas. Click this arrow. Then you might have something in there or there might be nothing in there yet, and you will click Move Here. Now that document is in that folder. So let's say that you want to find that document because almost every day your lesson is going to ask you to get the document. So you are going to go back to your Google Drive by going to drive.google.com or by clicking on that little icon on your Chromebook. You will find the document, the folder, excuse me, and then you will find the document you need. So let's say that we look back here and this says, click here to get a copy of your vocabulary log for your unit. But let's say that you already had a copy. You would go into your folder, you would open it up, and then you would follow the directions from that particular Canvas module. And that is how you will keep organized and be able to keep building on information as you do your novel study. Have a wonderful day.